Today, I would like to highlight the qualities, skills, inspiring positive personality of our everyday superhero, Hina Khan. Hina is a wonderful human being full of love, energy, and positivity. She is a responsible, caring, strong single parent who is looking after her kids really well, along with her full time job. She is an amazing makeup artist. I met her more than a year ago, but it feels like we have been friends for decades. We have had a wonderful, memorable holiday in Tenerife. We have walked behind the risky, edgy waterfalls together. The lady who can drive a truck or a jet ski during a sea storm can fight against any storms in her life. Hina, you are a true warrior. Today is your 40th birthday, and I love you so, so much, and I pray you get everything in your life what you wish for. Ameen.
अफसाना तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है कभी दूर तू न जाए तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिल कभी ना आए मेरे
Hello, this is Nida, Hina's friend. Me and Hina have been friends for almost 24 years now, and our friendship is still like a rock. Hina, I really, really miss you. And what inspires me the most about Hina is the strength of her character. Hina is a very strong girl, and I've seen her being raised with a golden spoon and pampered by all her family, her mom and dad, her brothers and sisters. And when I see her work so hard now on her children, it makes me really proud of Hina. And it's your 40th birthday today, Hina. You look fabulous at 40. May you have many more to come. And I can't wait to see you after the lockdown. Always stay strong. I really miss your aunt and calling me too. And I miss you telling me off. And you're always there for sisterly advice, to guide me, to correct me. And you have always made me positive. I love you lots and can't wait to see you after lockdown.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर सादिया खालिद है। मैं हिना ख़ान की दोस्त हूँ पिछले 6 सालों से, और हम लोग बहुत अच्छे दोस्त रहे हैं। हम कैसे चला ये सिलसिला, बस चलता ही चला गया, कहीं रुका नहीं बीच में, कहीं पे भी रुकावट नहीं आई। उसकी ईज़ी गोइंग जो नेचर है उसने इसमें बहुत रोल प्ले किया, और हेल्पफुल नेचर ने आगे बढ़कर हाथ पकड़ कर काम आने वाली। और मैं उसके सबसे ज़्यादा जो चीज़ याद करती हूँ, इवन मुझे अक्सर डेली बेसिस पे याद आता है, मज़े की बात है, उसने मुझे मेकअप करना सिखाया। मुझे नहीं आता था बिल्कुल भी, हाथ पकड़ पकड़ के डांट के, और मैं अभी भी जब भी कभी तैयार होती हूँ तो मुझे फ़ौरन से वो याद आ जाती है। उसकी कुकिंग बहुत अच्छी थी, वो हर एक का बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखने वाली है, बहुत साफ़ दिल की और सिंपल, सेंसिटिव, केयरिंग, लविंग और ओपन लड़की है बिल्कुल। कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सोचना पड़ता है कि अब नहीं तो क्या, हाँ हिना क्या कह रही है, बिल्कुल जो कह रही है वो उसके दिल में भी है। मैं उसको मिस करती हूँ। उसके लिए उसने बहुत ही परसिस्टेंस के साथ अपनी हर चीज़ को प्रूव किया है कि शी इज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग गर्ल। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मेरी बहुत सारी दुआएं उसकी आने वाली ज़िंदगी के लिए हैं, और मैं और बीइंग ए फ्रेंड आई एम प्राउड कि मेरे पास एक ऐसी अच्छी और प्यारी दोस्त है। लव यू हिना।
बाबा की रानी हो, आँखों का पानी हो, बाबा की रानी हो, आँखों का
वालेकुम। मैं अपनी बेटी हिना के बारे में अपने ख्यालात का कुछ इज़हार करना चाहता हूँ। ये मेरी बहुत ही प्यारी बेटी है, मेरी बहुत ही लाडली है। ये मेरे बच्चों में सबसे बड़ी है, इसलिए ये मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा करीब रही और हमेशा मैं इसको अपने पास से कभी भी दूर नहीं कर सका। इसकी ज़िंदगी में एक ऐसा मिसहैप हुआ कि जिससे शायद मेरे दिल में इसका प्यार और बढ़ गया। मेरी बच्ची शी इज़ वेरी फ्रेंडली, वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग, वेरी लिविंग। इसमें दूसरों के लिए सेक्रीफाइस करने का इतना ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल है कि शायद ये अपने आप पे बहुत सी चीज़ें बेयर करके दूसरों के लिए हेल्पफुल हो जाती है। अल्लाह ताला इसको इसकी बहुत जज़ा देगा और इसके बहुत ज़्यादा कामयाबियाँ अता करेगा। इसके बच्चे इब्राहिम और इशाल जो हमेशा हमारे लिए ऐसे ही रहे हैं जैसे ये मेरे अपने बच्चे हों। मैंने इनको अपने बच्चों की तरह चाहा है, अपने बच्चों की तरह प्यार किया है और इनकी ख्वाहिशात का ख्याल इसी तरह रखा है जैसे मैं अपने बच्चों की रखता रहा हूँ। मैं इनकी कामयाबी के लिए इनको अपने से दूर इंग्लैंड में मैंने भेजा है। ये वहाँ पे शी इज़ सिंगल मदर, शी इज़ फेसिंग द ऑल सर्कमस्टांसेस एंड ऑल प्रॉब्लम्स। मेरी बेटी जो इतनी ज़्यादा लविंग थी कि एक बेबी की तरह मेरे पास रही, वो ये सारी चीज़ों को सिंगली हैंडल कर रही है और फेस कर रही है। आई एम रियली वेरी सरप्राइज और मैं इस पे इतना ज़्यादा खुश हूँ। आई एम वेरी मच प्राउड कि मेरी बच्ची ने जो कुछ मैंने शायद सोचा था उससे ज़्यादा साबित कर दिया है। अल्लाह ताला मेरे इब्राहिम और इशाल को ज़िंदगी में कामयाबियाँ दे, इनको इतनी तरक्की दे कि मेरी बेटी की ज़िंदगी के तमाम कमियाँ, दूरियाँ और ख्वाहिशात मुकम्मल हो जाएं। मेरी हमेशा अल्लाह ताला से ये दुआ रही है कि अल्लाह ताला ज़िंदगी में मेरे बच्चों को कामयाब करे, इनका बुलंद मुकाम मैं देखूं और मैंने जिस मकसद के लिए इन्हें वहाँ भेजा है मैं उसको पूरा होता देखूं। मैं इसके साथ ही हिना, आई रियली लव हर। मैंने तुझे हमेशा इतना प्यार किया है कि जो मेरे लिए लफ्ज़ों में बयान करना मुमकिन नहीं। आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू। यू आर रियली ए वेरी गुड एंड ग्रेट डॉटर। आई लव यू।
अम्मा की बेटियां हो, आंगन की मिट्टियां हो, टुक टुक निहारे जो परदेसी चिट्ठियां हो।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हिना खान की मदर हूँ और आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ माई डॉटर। शी इज़ वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग, वेरी ऑनेस्ट एंड वेरी रिलायबल एंड वेरी लविंग टू। वो माशाल्लाह हमारे से दूर है लेकिन वी लव हर वेरी मच एंड वी रियली मिस हर सो मच। मेरी बच्ची जो है माशाल्लाह बहुत लाडली थी लेकिन अब वहाँ जाके उसने सारा अपने आप मैनेज कर लिया है, उसने अपना घर बार संभाल लिया है और इतनी मेरी बच्ची हार्ड वर्किंग है। स्टिल शी इज़ अ सिंगल मदर, सिंगल पेरेंट, बट वो पूरी ऑनेस्टी से अपने बच्चों को पाल रही है और उनका पूरा टेक केयर कर रही है। आई रियली लव हर एंड आई मिस हर और शी इज़ वेरी लविंग एंड वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग। आई लव हर वेरी वेरी मच एंड गॉड मे गिव हर अ लॉन्ग लाइफ एंड अ हैप्पी लाइफ सो दैट वी कैन ऑल्सो सी दैट। ओके मेरे बच्चे, अल्लाह।
लाया है बहार अपनों का प्यार, क्या कहना।
मिले हम छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार, क्या कहना।
खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा।
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hina Pupo. Happy birthday to you. May you have many more. May you have many more. Happy birthday, dear Pupo. Happy birthday to you. We love you. Bye-bye. Stay blessed. May you have many more.
Okay, so I never had to wonder how a strong and a courageous woman looks like because I had so many of them in my own family. And the best example of a strong and courageous woman that I have seen is my very own cousin Hina Khan. The way she is dealing with everything and the way she smiles through the struggles and the problems is incredible. I have seen her going through a lot, but she has always emerged with a very strong comeback, and I think she's an angel completely. There has been times when I used to think and I used to ask her, don't you get tired of all of this? And she always used to reply with, this is life and this is what's written for me in my faith, and I shall, look forward and be strong. And she's a mother of two. She's working, she's taking care of the house and her kids, and most importantly, she is in London, not in her own hometown, Pakistan. So, as Pakistanis, when we move abroad, we face a lot of struggles, but I have never seen her weak or complaining. She has always been a great support. She's always been a great daughter, a great mother, and a great friend. So, she is truly an inspiration and a role model for me.
This video is dedicated to someone who has touched my heart in more ways than you can imagine. I have a lot of friends, but never have I ever met someone like Hina. She's sweet and loving and always there for everyone. Inspiring, talented, creative, and hardworking. That's how we'll define Hina. She got married early in her life, have 2 kids, been through hell many times, but every time emerged victorious and shining and even brighter than before. Hina and I share a special bond, and even our daughters are best friends. Even though she's far, but we feel her in our heart. Hina is an amazing beautician. Being already talented in art makeup, she managed to complete and do well in many beautician courses by some of the renowned national and international makeup artists. Besides excellence in the artistry of makeup, she bakes scrumptious cakes and delicious entrees, designs awesome clothing, and have an articulate talent for interior design. There's something powerful about her that has helped her grow a lot to be a role model for others. Avoiding negativity and embracing positivity, she has empathy with understanding and intuitiveness that helps her deal with everyone. Overcoming her fears, she has passion and courage to overcome obstacles, finding inner strength, and has emerged to be more courageous and stronger than before. She has faith in herself and is willing to go the distance. Someone who is raised in a protected environment has managed to live independently, alone in a foreign country, raising 2 teenagers. That's a big wow. With her adaptive attitude and faith in her parents and Almighty Allah, she's an embodiment of a strong and virtuous woman. She's a diva, driven, inspiring, virtuous, and full of action. As Helen Keller said, character cannot be defined in ease and quiet. Hina has learned to balance her life, inculcating duties and fun, from caring for her family to attending to her kids and being an amazing mother and having a lot of fun with friends, to attending to herself, taking time for self-care, both physical and spiritual. She's hardworking and focused and believes in the power that are higher than her. I strongly stress everyone to learn from her. She has really stepped out of her comfort zone to be an amazing woman she is now.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है.
Okay, firstly, Sarish, you are such a good friend for doing all this, and secondly, I am so sorry for delaying all this. But okay, about Hina. So long ago, I used to call her Hina Appa because she is like 6 years older than me. But then I just erased it because I feel like I am the Appa in this relationship and she is the younger sister who's fun and who's crazy. But jokes apart, she's always been such a kind, loving person anyone can ever imagine, never judging you. So she was my go-to person. If I have any kind of situation or problems, always go there, and you know, even if you're not finding a solution or anything, but she's just there to support you. Always keeping secrets, always an inspiration for me, because while growing up I felt like I never really had an older sister who was like, you know, judging me or correcting me. It was always like, Hina yaar. So that's kind of relationship we have with each other, and she is a gem of a person. You can always go to her and she is going to be there, the most kindest person, the most giving person, the best host. I visited her last year, and the best host ever, I can say. She just made me feel like, you know, I'm at home, and I didn't even feel like I was visiting her after so long or anything. A little vakya, a little story I would tell you about our childhood was like, she was always the one who was collecting stuff, buying jewelry, buying clothes, shopping for shoes and stuff, and I was the one who was, you know, a little selfish and just, you know, trying to save my own money and using her stuff. And every time, you know, I had a function at school or I had to go anywhere to a friend's place or something, I would just wear her new clothes or unworn jewelry and everything. I would just go in, and then I would come back home, and she used to look at me and be like, you know, okay, just put it back, you know, where it belongs. And you just used to throw them here and there, and she used to pick it up and put it back. She's a clean freak, by the way. But all in all, she is a gem of a person. I love her so much. Let me tell you, Hina, you are an inspiration for me since forever. I've never said that to you, but just saying it now, I'm feeling bad that I'm saying it because I shouldn't, because I've always been like, you know, I'm the one, and just not telling you that. But I love you so much, and even Zayan loves you. Zayan, can you say, Hina, we love you?
Hina, I love you.
I love you, Hina. Mwah. Can you do mwah for Hina?
Mwah. Love you, Hina John.
Mwah.